Shalom family. So today we're going to make unleavened graham crackers. 2 cups of unbleached flour, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 3/4 tablespoons of salt. We're going to use some vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of that, 1/4 cup of oil of your choice. I'm using avocado oil, 1/3 cup of honey, and 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm using 2%, but you can use whatever you like. So first thing, you want to have 2 mixing bowls because you're going to mix your dry ingredients first, and then you're going to mix your wet ingredients, and then you'll put them together. So now we're going to mix our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients, and we're going to form our dough. And once we get our dough formed, we're going to cover this and place this in the refrigerator for 1 hour so that our dough can harden for the graham cracker crunch. Now that we've had our dough in the refrigerator for an hour so that it can stiffen up, we're gonna split the dough in 2, and we're gonna begin to roll out our dough to make our graham crackers. Now you can use a pizza roller or a dough cutter to make your edges straight, and then we're going to use the back of a butter knife to make our ridges and a fork to make our holes in our graham crackers. Then we're going to put this on some parchment paper, and we're going to put it in the oven. See you in 12 minutes. Now here's the finished product. We pulled them out the oven, let them cool for a few minutes, broke them up, and here is your unleavened graham crackers. Happy Passover!